Hello to all you good people. You're watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Untitled Chatterjee and let's look at today's headlines. MicroStrategy reports $170 million impairment loss on BTC holdings in Q1. Coinbase partners with Goldman Sachs for first Bitcoin-backed loan. Cryptocurrencies rebound ahead of Fed meet outcome, Bitcoin near $39,000. Crypto exchange OKX signs sponsorship deal with McLaren Racing. Dubai crypto regulator to launch Metaverse Headquarter in the Sandbox. Riot blockchain sells 250 bitcoins, gains $10 million ahead of expansion plans. World's largest private bank, LGT, to offer crypto trading. India exploring ways to impose new 20% tax on cryptocurrencies. India to exclude reward points, e-Vouchers from tax on virtual digital assets. MicroStrategy, the largest publicly traded business intelligence company founded by Michael Saylor, bore a non-cash digital asset impairment charge of $170.1 million in the first quarter, up from $146.6 million in the last quarter. The company also announced Andrew Kang will take over from Phong Lei as Chief Financial Officer effective on or about May 9th, after which Lei will continue in the role as MicroStrategy's president. MicroStrategy had reported $71 million yearly impairment losses in 2020, which increased to $831 million in 2021. The total Bitcoin holdings of 129.218 Bitcoins as of March 31, 2022 were acquired at $3.97 billion. The average cost of one Bitcoin comes to $30,700. Considering Bitcoin's current price, the average price per coin comes to $37,662 with a total valuation of $4.9 billion. The digital asset impairment reflects the decline in the price of Bitcoin versus the price at which the Bitcoin was acquired. Global banking giant Goldman Sachs has revealed its tie-up with America's largest cryptocurrency exchange platform, Coinbase, for its first ever loan using Bitcoin as collateral. While such a move may not be uncommon in the crypto universe, the step taken by a traditional Wall Street banking institution is an encouraging indicator to embrace the asset class for seeking out a loan. Brett Tapol, head of Coinbase Institution, said that the firm's work with Goldman Sachs is the first step in recognizing crypto as collateral, which deepens the bridge between fiat and crypto economies. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed, though with an upward bias ahead of the Federal Reserve rate meets outcome due later today. Bitcoin traded near $39,000. US stock drifted higher while bonds fell, reflecting investors' nervousness. The Fed is expected to raise rates by 50 basis points on Wednesday and spell out plans for the reduction of its balance sheet. The dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against a basket of currencies, traded near a 20-year high on safe haven appeal. In fact, the Reserve Bank of India and the Reserve Bank of Australia have already hiked lending rates in anticipation of aggressive Fed rate hike. Others may soon follow suit. Bitcoin was recently seen trading around $38,900, up over 1.5% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was also up nearly 1% at around $2,800. TRX, the native coin of Tron blockchain, jumped over 5% on speculation of the upcoming launch of a decentralized stablecoin. OKX, the Malta-based global cryptocurrency exchange, has entered into a multi-year sponsorship deal with British Formula One team McLaren Racing. Under the agreement, OKX will get the status of McLaren Racing's official primary partner. Further, the crypto exchange will also become the primary partner of McLaren's Shadow esports team, which debuted in 2017. The partnership between the two will be put on public display at 2022 Miami Grand Prix, which will be held on May 8. Neither OKX nor McLaren Racing have revealed the financial terms of the deal. Earlier, the crypto exchange also partnered with the English football club Manchester City in another major sports sponsorship deal. Dubai's newly established Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority or VARA has revealed plans of creating a virtual headquarter in the digital world by partnering with the Sandbox. This VARA office in the Sandbox has been named Meta HQ. With this launch, VARA is aiming at driving Web3 adoption further on a global level. VARA's virtual office will serve as an active avenue for authorities to engage with virtual asset services providers from around the world. The regulator aims to initiate applications, enable younger licensees to enter the Metaverse, openly share knowledge and experiences with consumers and peer regulators to raise awareness, enable safe adoption, and drive global interoperability. Riot blockchain, one of the world's largest publicly traded Bitcoin miners, has sold half of its 508 coin produced from April, following the sale of 200 Bitcoins for $9.4 million in March. Riot held approximately 6,320 coins at the end of April, in an increase from 6,062 a month before. The Bitcoin holder company is increasing its balance for a massive project. The project is announced to be a 1 gigawatt large-scale expansion in Navarro County, Texas, with a first phase development cost of $333 million for the next 2 years. Riot also filed for the sale of almost $500 million in shares at the moment, offering currently housing $312.5 million in cash. LGT Group, a top family-owned private banking and asset management group with over $292 billion in assets under management, is moving into cryptocurrency by launching Bitcoin and Ether investments at LGT Bank in Liechtenstein in cooperation with Switzerland's digital asset service provider SEBA Bank. In response to the demand raised by its ultra-rich clientele, reports suggest that the largest family-owned financial institution has decided to start by offering investment services primarily for Bitcoin and Ether. According to Matthias Schutz, head of SEBA's Client and Tech Solutions, LGT will commence with services for clients residing in Liechtenstein and Switzerland first, before expanding to other locations over the next 2 months. Schutz also stated that the bank is currently in talks to add more coins in addition to staking and yield-earning possibilities. Well, that's all for the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.